Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Wagwan Tours. We're in Antalya, we're in the old town. Let's have a little look around, see what we can find today. This old town's quite hilly. Go to Argos. Yeah. Very nice artwork here. So you got Jesus and his lads. Very nice. Blue town streets. A gastropub, happy hour. I have to slow down while walking. It's really humid today. Plenty of cats as normal. And get your spiced tea in there. It's got a bar here. We've got to the top as well. Good views. Your perfumes. I was meant to rent the car when I'm here. Silly me, I just booked everything at home, paid for it. But when I got here, I quickly checked the booking and I needed my international driving permit. Online it says it takes you 15 minutes to do, costs you about £20. So yeah, I was silly enough to only figure this out when I got here. And then it said I needed to go to the embassy and get something else, so I was just like, God's sake. So, we never got the car. And I lost my money. So don't make that mistake. Make sure you check out whatever you need when you're going international, because Turkey is not, it's not Europe. So yeah, don't make my mistake. That'll probably be the title of this video as well, eh? Check this little tram cafe out. But it's been fine, we got the buses. Buses were really busy. It really rammed me inside these buses. I did not want to go back down, to have to come back up again. So we're going to check out. Welcome to Old Town, big sign there. So maybe I can use this as a thumbnail. I don't want to go back down where I just came from. But yeah. How much is it a beer there? I do need a drink. I'm sweating. Got the rates up there in euros and dollars. Let's go and have a little look around here quickly. See what we got. So you get your old Turkish kebabs, chicken kebab, doner kebab. I haven't had a kebab in years. I've seen somewhere they've got a new vegan kebab. Not really a big fan of much vegan meats. But yeah, it'd be something to try, I guess. Let's have a walk. Let's go down there, let's go down there. As you can see from the last time you saw us and I was in, and well, sorry, when I was in Marmaris, I'm going to get my beard cut and I still haven't done it. Years. Hello. So yeah, here's all your trainers, perfumes. Let's take a walk up, come on. So get your spices, all your bags. I tried a bit more slow here for you guys. Been told I'm a bit fast at turning. If you do need to slow down the video, you can slow it down. I film at quite a high rate, so nothing will be blurry. I need to get myself a drink in a minute. I'm really thirsty.
Signorita.
Okay. So let me know if you've got trainers from me before. I picked up some Crocs. They seem to be comfortable enough. More comfortable than what I was wearing before.
Yes, I have nice perfume. Yes, good product.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. England.
England?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, hot, really hot, I know. I'm okay, thank you, thank you.
My friend, you want something for
I'm okay, thank you. So yeah, everyone, like everywhere else, will try to sell you something. Let's go left. We'll be going shopping at some point, so I want to get a few more things before I go home. Kids' toys there, hats. I never really wear a hat.
Hold on.
See the clothes over there.
Is your vanilla food?
So you've got a nice picture there. That's brought us out. Let's go back round this way. Guys, don't forget, subscribe, like and share. Send the video off to your friends and family that love coming to Antalya. We're just around near the Old Town at the moment, so if they love the Old Town, show them the video. And then we're just going to end this one down here, so thank you for watching. It's that lovely cheese dish. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the very next video. See ya.